Hello everyone, we have ordered a shoe rack, foldable shoe rack from Lazada, and we are going to make the sixth one. Only one pamphlet they have given, so I'll scan and see the instructions online how to make this shoe rack. As I see, the shoe rack instructions are in a language which I don't understand. However, they have given the images. I'll try to understand from the images given how to make this shoe rack properly. Let's go. Alright, I realized later the page can be converted into English. So I've decoded the first step. These are the circle based hooks which needs to be plugged into the long rectangular shape pieces. So we need to lock with these circle based hooks towards the corners. I'm so happy. See, it's connected. Yay! The base is ready. As you can see, it has gaps here as well. We can join the other parts on these hoops. Let's go! We are onto something. I guess the first layer is about to get ready. I was using the wrong one. This smaller one needs to be hooked up with these. These are two different types. So this will go in the corner ones here, and this will go in the center ones. Gotcha. This now, this has to go like this. Now this has to come in center. Okay, this has to come here because it needs support from both the ends, and the other one only needs one end. See, pretty easy. If you can see, these are for the racking a new layer, and here we have two-sided, here we have one-sided because these are the corners. I'll have to remove that one. So it's locked now. Remember, the center locks has to be in this manner, not towards the outside. It has to be towards the inside so that they can perfectly fall. If you see, it's perfectly locked. The shoe rack is perfectly locked. Now we need the other end. Yep. Same thing on the other side, and see how perfectly it looks. Whoa! I'm already tired. We are progressing. Way to go! Now we just need to repeat these steps to create the layers. So we have created 1, 2, and 3rd layer. Now we will be going for 4th and then 5th. Looking pretty cool. Make sure the stitching sides is downward facing, not upward, because that's the back part of it. I'll have to redo this one because it's not looking good. See, this side has to be towards inside, and the other side should not see the stitches. Although it doesn't matter, but let's make it perfect. I'm going good as of now. Let's make more shells fast. So you're covering the back as well, otherwise it will get difficult later on. So keep covering the back as and when you move with the 4 blocks. This is the back side. So if you notice, the locks and this circle is locking the upper portion. How pretty it looks. I need a coffee now. Okay, coffee break now. And a little TV break as well. Because I've realized it's been 1 hour that I've been doing this. Half an hour it took me to understand these plugins and to figure out what I have to make. And I still don't know what are these used for. Come on, let it be, because I can't even figure it out from the pamphlet which they've given. And it's just a single pamphlet which they have provided. Let's see. Aeroplane shaped hooks as well. Let's play some music first. Floor remaining because these 3 are left, which will come on the top. 1, 2, 3, and then we are almost done. I mean to make the door as well. I don't know how to do that. I'll keep it open. Almost there. Shoe rack is ready. Now we need to make the handles. So finally our shoe rack is ready and I've settled all the stuff. It's a good shoe rack, and if you can see, there are a lot of empty spaces still there. I've also used this small hanging thing for mask, keys and umbrella and cap. I liked it. I've managed to add the doors as well. Ta-da! Ta-da! Pretty cool. Now I just can't wait to see my husband's reaction after seeing the shoe rack assembled by me and only me. Took me good 1.5 hours, but the output is good. So my brother-in-law has figured out that aeroplane shaped hook are the locks for the door. So this one we have placed here. It goes here and lock. And lock.